Today we'll be replacing a 2015 Audi mirror. Let's start by removing the mirror. Tools you'll need today are a pick, trim remover, an extended with a 10 mil on the end, and for quicker access, a drill with a T25 bit. Let's start by removing this trim panel right here. It's a bunch of clips, and you have to pull up on it. After you're done, you're gonna see 3 bolts. These 2 up here, and this one down here, all T25. Now I have to remove the speaker, and it's these 4 bolts right here and this clip just to get the nuts that fell down.